Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Tanuj, aka TJ. It is 11 p.m., 11:13 p.m., and I'm packing for my maiden trip to Svalbard. And yeah, I'm a little bit tired, but I need to finish it today so that I can sleep well tomorrow night, although it's not going to happen. My trip starts in exactly 2 days today. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what all stuff I'm packing today, and it has been a little bit stressful last few weeks trying to figure out what I need. The temperatures are expected to be in between minus 10 to minus 20 degrees Celsius, so I want to make sure that I survive this long cold polar week and a half. So yeah, let's jump right onto it. Sorry for the messy room. I kind of put together everything on my bed just to make sure that I keep everything in front of me and I don't miss anything. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a few things, but I think this is good. Pretty much at a high level, this is all I would need. As I see around, I'm still trying to figure out a couple of things that I may need, so we'll pick those up. This section is just for the clothes, so I'll come back with the section on the camera and the videos in a little bit. So jumping onto it, this is my interchange jacket. It's 3-in-1. It's from Colombia, and it has like 3 layers of. So this is like Omni Heat material. Actually, you know what? Alright, so I just turned on the light a little bit. So this interchange is basically a 2-in-1. You have a down jacket in the end, in the middle, and then a red outer jacket. And you have this Omni heating, which prevents the heat to escape. So this is going to be actually the most critical part, and it will be most helpful as I go outside, even for extended period of time. So that's a big investment. I also got like a backup in case this doesn't work. I tried it out. I think I'm going to carry the blue one. This is also Omni Heat, and this is actually more hardcore, but it doesn't have the 3 layers. So I think I'm going to decide on the. This is actually pretty similar to the other one, except for that it doesn't have the center layer. So I think I'm going to decide on this blue one, which is a 3-in-1. Over here I have my ski pants, also from Colombia. Yeah, they're also going to be really helpful. This is the bag I'm trying to fit it all in, but we'll see if it goes or not. So this is going to be my top layer. Then you have for the mid layers, I have a couple of pullovers and just my regular jackets or fleece. So I'm keeping like 3 or 4 of those, so maybe I'll eventually choose 2 or 3 based on how much space I have. Alright, so that was the mid layer. This is what I have as the base layer. So this one is the one I bought first. This is polyester, but I went to hike at the mountains in the snow in Los Angeles, however much snow we got. I think it was close to 5 or 6 degrees up there, but it wasn't anything cold to what cold we were going to. So it survived, so I think I didn't need any extra insulating layer above that. So I think this is a good one. I also bought a merino wool one. Actually, this is one of the cheaper merino wool, but it does say it's like 100% merino wool, so I'm excited about that. That's from Lapsa. Yesterday I went to REI and I kind of bought these like non-cotton underwear, which I think I need. These are like boxer briefs because I like those kind. I think they're going to help me survive the whole idea behind this is you don't want to stay wet, you don't want any cotton in you, which absorbs a lot of sweat and makes you feel cold, which is like, I think it's called hypothermia. So you try to get more of the quick dry clothing, and that's the idea behind this underwear. The base layer, the mid layer, I think you can get on a lot of fleece, and then you want to protect yourself from getting too much water, so this has to be waterproof. Oh, I forgot the favorite part. These are my wonderful boots, and they're waterproof, They are from Colombia too, and I love them. And I tried them out. They also Omni Heat, by the way. You can see the layer inside. Then I have these pants which I decided last minute to buy. They're on sale at REI. They're from a brand called Prana. So as you see, they're still, the tags are still on. I haven't even taken them off, but this is a waterproof pants. This is more of a replacement of jeans. We'll see if I have to wear those. Then we have a couple of jeans. I think I'm going to choose one or maybe two, not more than that. Maybe 3 or 4 shirts, and I kept a couple of t-shirts, just, you know, if I want to just relax someday inside and I don't feel like wearing these cold clothes and it's warm enough, because, you know, you all need some. Right, so these are my pants and shirts, and then let's go to accessories. That's going to be really important too. So here I have a couple of gloves. I heard a lot of reviews that you need to have those light gloves for photography and everything, so I'm keeping those, like, you know, not too heavy there. They're Omni Heat though, so I'm going to hope that they prevent. This is like more of a base layer for gloves, and then you have those heavy gloves which are actually also Omni layer. I did not invest in a good beanie. I think I have a couple of them already. I have this from Tommy. I haven't really worn that a lot. And then this is like back from India, and this is like what you call a monkey cap. You can see this opening. Maybe you can see that opening. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, those. And then I got 2 types of, these are neck gaiters, again from Colombia. These are like a little light ones, so I haven't really decided if I'm going to wear these light one or this heavy one. This is more for expeditions, and like, which, I mean, it's pretty much close to expedition, so I'm really not decided. Maybe I'll carry 2 of those or instead of that one, because those are pretty light. Then comes the socks. Oh, I've shopped a lot for the socks, and you can see it right here. Yesterday at REI, I found a really good deal on these mango socks. They look warm, so I bought like, I think 4 or 5 pairs of those. But then these are the ones which I got on Amazon, and they are very good. They're very heavy, and I like those. So I'm keeping them out for now. We'll see how the packing goes. I think I'm going to keep most of the socks because there's nothing to lose there. So that, I think, is pretty much most of the clothes. Let's come back to some of the other things that I need on the way. Getting this parka for the water bottle, and I bought this new insulated water bottle yesterday. A couple of whistles, like, you know, there are polar bears over there in case anything attacks, or if I'm by myself and I don't know what to do. What is going on, you guys? This is Tanuj aka TJ, and today we are in the final stage of our packing, or I would say repacking, because I already packed all my stuff and I decided to just take it out, see where everything is, and kind of pack it back to make sure, you know, I know where exactly everything is, and we're able to move really quick when I'm traveling. So I pulled out my camera again, I pulled out all my clothes, and you can see it's like all over here. So I'm going to show you how I made some really efficient changes to make sure like all of my stuff fits in that little duffel bag. And we're going to make use of this Ziploc bag, which actually turned out to be my lifesaver. So stay tuned and let me set up this camera as I guide you guys towards how I did my packing. Let's see. Alright, this looks good, I think. Yep. As long as the camera doesn't fall, which it might. Alright, so we take this little huge Ziploc. I got it on Amazon. We're going to start with the ski pants. Actually, the bigger the stuff, we should actually do it first. So we have the ski pants over here. For duffel, always roll stuff. So roll this up really neat, and what you can also do is put some like rubber bands or something, which actually might, I may do. Let me see if I have some rubber bands. I got a rubber band, so I'm going to put that on here. Hopefully it won't break or act weird. Yeah, it kind of looked fine. So this goes in. That's number one thing. Then I actually want to put some sweaters because I did not put the sweater in the first time I did it. So I'm going to try and see if I can squeeze those in. This is actually not something I don't think I should have bought this, but I don't have too many options, so I'm going to keep that as it is. Maybe I'll leave it in the way. I have 2 more of these jackets, which yeah, I'm just going to pack that. Actually, I'm not feeling comfortable with this camera, so I'm going to replace it with the phone. Alright everyone, so this is everything. I'm trying to repack and I'm trying to use the Ziploc to fit everything in again, and I already put my snow pants. The next thing is these jackets, so I'm going to keep this one outside. Really roll this other one. Put this in. Yeah, this one will probably stay out. And then this Columbia one which I got, I think this can be squeezed in really small. I might actually put a rubber band on this one to make it smaller. Let's see. Alright, we got another rubber band out here. So this goes in as well. And sorry you can't see my picture, but I swear I'm here. Let me see if I want to tilt it a little bit up. That might make a little more sense. Alright, so we got our snow pants. We got 3 mid layers now, and the 4th one stays out. Actually, I think I may be able to, I'll see, I'll dispose of one later. Then I carry my gloves and they go in. There's not much I can do to squeeze them. And finally I have, I think, my socks and my thermal underwear. So let's do the thermal underwear thing first. I don't know if I can make it any smaller than it really is right now. Actually, I can try to extend it. So let's see how this one turns out. I really wish I had more of those rubber bands. The other thing I can do is probably put a tape around them, but it won't be the best idea. So we'll try to find some rubber bands.